Hello everyone, my name is Vipin Kumar. I live in Delhi, but basically I'm from UP. I have done graduation in 2023 from Veer Bahadur Singh Purvanchal University, and I have also completed my education in UP. And after that, I was searching job. Then now about Evision TechnoServe. Evision TechnoServe is a IT requirement and consulting company. In Evision, I had to join from 10th March in 2025 online full day job internship under guidance of IT managers and administrator. After this course, I got selected in Dixit Infotech Private Limited India with a salary package of 2.4 LPA. And in internship, I have to learn about Windows Server and Window Administrator and networking, basic networking and advanced networking, and also cyber security. Here is all teacher will be teach in very easy way, and which is very easy to understand. I would like to especially thank Mr. Ganesh sir and Swati ma'am and all Evision teachers and Evision teams, which is with the help of I got selected in this position. And thank you everyone and thank you Evision team.